Hello, welcome to Just Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see how to install Java or JDK 25, which is released on the September 2025. So this is one of the major release, and we can see a lot of major changes which got introduced as part of this JDK 25, and also its LTS support. So meaning we will be getting the long-term support on this. So before going to install JDK 25 or Java 25, let's see what is mean by LTS long term support and what is non LTS. So these are the two difference we need to understand it. If we see from JDK 8 onwards, so we are getting the LTS, right? From JDK 8 onwards we are getting the LTS until 25, and in between LTS support and we are releasing, and we can see some of the non LTS versions also. So what's the difference between LTS and non-LTS? For LTS, you will be getting the extended support for more years, maybe approximately some 8 years we will be getting. And for non-LTS, you will be getting the support only, the premium support only till 6 months. So premium support in the sense you will be getting all kind of patches and security patches and any performance improvements, many things, certificate updates, many things you will be getting hardware certificate updates till premium support. Whereas in case of extended support, so you will be not be getting majorly like performance improvements, mainly you will be getting the security patches and all. So that's the basic difference between these two. In case if you want support for any other issues, so we need to pay more money in the extended support. So that's the basic difference between premium support and extended support. And if you see non-LTS, generally you will be getting the support only for 6 month duration. If you see here example, if you take for 24 JDK 24, so it was released on March 25, and you will be getting the support till September 25. So when that is going to expire immediately, we will be getting the new version called LTS. So that will be 25, and it was released on September, and you will be getting the support, premium support till 30, and but you will be getting the extended support till 2033. It can extend also. So that's the difference between LTS, non-LTS, and premium support and extended support. Okay, so that's the basic difference. But in case if you want to see this details, you can able to find in the below website, what you can able to find in the video description. It's official Oracle website. So let me show you that one. So this is the official Oracle website where we can able to see all the JDK versions and their premium support and extended support duration and when it was released, so that we can see it. So if you see the current one, JDK 25 and its LTS long-term support, and which was released on September 25, and the premium support you will be getting till 30, and if you want extended support you will be getting additional 3 more years. So that's a difference. So you need to pay some more money, and you will not be getting the more performance related issues updates over here. So that's the basic difference, and you'll be getting all some more details over here. This is the official website, so you can have a look and you can able to find this link in the video description. So now come back to the main part, what we supposed to do. So how to download JDK 25 and how to install it and how to set up the path and how to verify the JDK version, so that we are going to say it. So before installing, let me show you what is currently installed in my machine. If you see in my machine currently I have installed JDK 17. So you can see here Java 17 is installed in my machine. It's one of the LTS support. Now I'm trying to upgrade my LTS or JDK, which is from 17 to 25. So 17 to 25 you see here, right? So the last LTS was 21st 21, and before that 17 is the LTS version. So now I'm trying to upgrade from 17 to 25. So that's the reason. So that's the thing we are going to do it. So let me show you how to download the JDK 25 download. Then you can able to find the oracle.com. This is the first link in your search results. Go for that, and you are under Java downloads. So inside that you can see JDK 25 or 21, and then come back to the various operating systems. It's up to you. So currently we are trying to do the installation into Windows machine. Select the Windows machine, and you can see the various different formats of executable files and zip and MSI. So I'm going to download the exe format, and which the size is around 182 MB. So let me click the link and it will download the exe file into my machine. Once the download is done, we will start the installation part. So let me go to the download. Still is trying to download the exe file. Yes, now we can see the download part is completed, and we can see it's around 186 MB, and the installation we will start. The installation is very easy. So first what you have to do, in case if you want to know the installation steps, you can able to find in the document itself. So installation instructions, you can click here, you can come back here, and you can select the what operating system you are trying to install. Say for instance, if you want to install Microsoft Windows, you can click over here, and the steps you will be getting very very clearly. So so downloading the JDK installation and installing the exe file, and you can go the corresponding steps. So you can find the steps very easily, download the part and double click the MSI or exe whatever, and you can do all those things, and log file setup and the path setup, everything you can able to find it. So but let me show you that one. So this is the first one, download the JDK. Once that is done, you can do the double click, then you will be getting the installation pop-up window. Yes, so this is the pop-up window you will be getting. So you can select for yes. So now the install is coming up. So now the installation setup or wizard came up, so you can go for next. And then if you can see the, so by default this Java is trying to occupy your program files, and inside that Java, in case if you're not interested in this location, you can change this location to any file. It's up to you, but now I am going to keep the default one as it is. Let's go for the next one. Let me show you the progress bar over here. So now we can see the second step completed successfully. um, so development kit 2564-bit installation successful. If you want to see some API documentation or guides release notes, that you can see over here. So that I think I have already shown you, right? So what's the latest changes which was introduced in JDK 25, so that you can able to see it, all the changes, so you can able to see what's new. So you can see here the major changes which was introduced in the JDK 25, so that we can see here. Let me go upside. So these are the some of the latest changes which was introduced in the JDK 25. You can see primitive types are allowed in the switch case, and some of the module imports, compact files reading part, and the main method. So these are the some of the major changes. You can able to find some documentation, and you can able to find this link in the video description as well. And some of the library changes which was introduced is scope, values, stables, and security patches, and some of the performance improvements, and some of the monitoring tools they have integrated more. And there is one feature it got removed. So this is one of the thing it got removed, JIT. So these are the some of the documentation, you can go through it. So what's a new feature is got introduced in JDK 25. Okay, so now this step is done. Now close it. Now what is the next step? So now the installation is done inside the C program files Java 25. So this is the step. This is the place where the JDK 25 got installed. Now what you have to do? You have to do the second part called environment variable setup. So take this one location wherever it is got installed. Go for environment variables for your account and go for Java home. In case if you don't have this Java home, you have to create it, but in my case it's already present, so I'm going to edit this one too. my latest JDK is 25. This is the first step. And second step, Java home is done. Next, what we have to do, we have to do the setup for the path as well. In case if you don't have a path, you have to create a new and do it. But in my case, it's already present, so I'm just going to edit it. So once you edit the path, so we have to refer the bin location. So we are going to use the previous variable java home and slash bin. Let me go back and show you bin. So inside your java home, you have a bin folder. Inside the bin folder, you have all the commands java c and java w and java. So most of the commands you can able to find here. So java c. So to identify, to recognize these commands, we have to refer the bin folder of the installation location. So that's click OK. It's done. And now let me open the command window. So now what I'm going to do, I want to verify my JDK version is installed or not. So now we can see our JDK 25 and which got released in 2025 0916 and it's a LTS support. So we can able to see the clear details about the Java what got installed. So this is the two steps. One is installation and the second one is the setting up the environment variable. I think so this is the way you can able to make ready to use the JDK in your machine. Okay, I think that's all about this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel for more subsequent updates, and thank you so much.